In this video, we talk about how to maintain a hot water tank, both an electric version and a gas version. What are the similarities and what are the differences? That's coming right up.
Welcome to Homebuyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome to another Homebuyer School video, specifically our homeowner how-tos. And remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies from the home buying experts, hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today I'm in the basement of a home with Harmon Dillon with Brookfield Residential, and today we're going to talk about how to maintain your hot water tank. Specifically, how to maintain both a gas and electric hot water tank. So Harmon, can you tell us about the similarities between both?
We've got a lever here that can be closed, and that allows water not to enter the tank anymore. On the spout, you can attach a garden hose and place it into the drain, and you can take a flathead screwdriver and open up the valve draining the tank. Both tanks will also have a pressure relief valve on them, so if you see a little bit of water on the floor, it's just releasing some of the pressure in the tank.
Okay, and what are the differences between the two?
This tank is a gas tank, so this one will be powered by gas. It will have a regulator, which also has a setting knob on it that changes the heat value inside the tank, and then also a on-off switch on it, where an electric tank will be powered by electricity.
So Harmon, do you have anything else to add?
Yes, for the gas tank, for winter maintenance, there's a chance that the tank could shut off. A lot of the times, it's the vents outside that are blocked with snow and ice from the extreme cold that we have. What you want to do is come down in here, unplug your tank, go outside, clean off the snow and ice that is preventing it from exhausting, come back in and just plug it back in. The tank should relight itself and you should be good to go.
Perfect. Let's go check out the electric. So we're in a new house and a new basement talking about an electric hot water tank. So Harmon, what's the first thing we need to do in terms of maintenance?
You want to come to your breaker box and you want to find your hot water tank breaker, and we're just going to flip it off.
Perfect. Let's go over to the hot water tank. So now that we've turned off the breaker, what's the next step?
Just like your gas tank, you want to shut the lever off up here. This prevents any water from filling up the tank. You can now put a garden hose on your spout here and place it in your furnace drain. You can then take a screwdriver and open up the valve. This allows the tank to drain completely. Once the tank is completely drained, you can shut the valve off here. You can disassemble your garden hose off of your spout and open up the lever up here. Give the tank about 5 minutes to fill back up, and then turn your breaker back on.
So what's the difference between this one and the gas one that we just saw?
Well, the obvious difference is the gas one is powered by gas and has a regulator. This one is powered by electricity and has two elements that heat up the cold water, just like a light bulb does.
Perfect. Do you have anything else to add?
Yeah, just remember, just like light bulbs burn out, your elements can burn out and eventually will burn out and will require replacing.
Perfect. If you have any questions in terms of how to maintain your hot water tank, let us know in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, if you enjoyed this video and or found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button below and to subscribe. Thank you very much, and we'll catch you next time.
That's another edition of Homebuyers School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.